Equity for us is ensuring that communities of color, our communities, are centered in all health processes. Everyone deserves access to an environment that improves their health outcomes and that does not detract from it. And at GreenRoots, we're fighting for that.
GreenRoots is a nonprofit organization based in Chelsea, Massachusetts that works with environmental justice. And environmental justice for us is an umbrella term. We really look at transit justice. We also look at air quality. We're also working with anti-displacement and making sure that homes aren't being taken away from folks because folks deserve to have affordable housing. Environmental justice is looking at the impacts that not only impact the environment, but the people in it.
I grew up in Chelsea and it's been my home my entire life. We know that our communities of color, are often left behind of state policy. We're left out of all the resources that come into our state. We need to be working with our legislators, working with state and city governments to ensure that we're not polluted, that the burden is not always on places like Chelsea and East Boston.
For me, this work is important because it connects the gaps between public health and environmental justice.
So our vision at GreenRoots is to fight for communities that have access to green space, to open space, that have access to the waterfront. We're imagining a world in which kids can run outside and play, imagining a clean environment that supports all of our community members and that is accessible. Our work is important because it's important to value community members and their lived experiences as being real and valuable knowledge and utilizing that to create policy change, to create programmings to improve health outcomes.